Today, we'll learn about a pie chart and its uses. Let's get started. We have seen much data like this in our daily newspapers. What are they? They are pie charts. A pie chart is a method of representing a given numerical data in the form of sectors of a circle. As it looks like a pie that we slice and eat, it is named a pie chart. The pie chart can also be called a pie graph or circle chart or circle graph. Look at this example. This pie chart represents the number of cars in the parking area on the basis of color. But how did we represent them as a sector? In a circle? That's very simple. With the help of the central angle. Let's learn them in detail. The central angle is the angle formed by the two radii. The sectors of the circle are constructed in such a way that the area of each sector is proportional to the corresponding value of the component of the data. That is, the sum of all the central angles is 360 degrees, which is the angle of the circle. The formula to find the central angle is the value of the component by total value into 360 degrees. Let's come back to the example. There are 16 cars in a parking area. That means the total value is 16. The number of red color cars is 2. The number of blue color cars is 4. The number of green color cars is 2. The number of white color cars is 8. The central angle of the red color car equals the value of the component by total value into 360 degrees. Here, the value of the component is a number of red cars, that is 2. The total value is 16. Thus, the central angle of the red car is 2 by 16 into 360 degrees, which is equal to 45 degrees. Next, the central angle of the blue color car equals the value of the component, that is the number of blue cars, 4, by the total value, 16, into 360 degrees, which is equal to 90 degrees. Next, the central angle of the green color car is the value of the component, that is 2, by total value 16, into 360 degrees, which is equal to 45 degrees. Next, the central angle of the white color car is the value of the component, that is the number of white cars, 8, by total value 16, into 360 degrees, which equals 180 degrees. By marking the calculated central angle of each color car in the circle, we get this pie chart. Each sector represents the number of cars with respect to their colors. You can see from the pie chart, the sector of the greater angle is greater, and the sector of the smaller angle is smaller. Thus, the area of the sector of a circle is proportional to the central angle. Here, the number of white cars is 8. Its central angle is 180 degrees. And the number of green cars is 2. Its central angle is 45 degrees. That means the central angle of each sector must be proportional to the corresponding value of the component. Next, the sum of all the central angles is 360 degrees, as the angle of the circle is 360 degrees. Let's see what are all the uses of the pie chart. In pie chart, data is represented visually as a fractional part of a whole. It is an effective communication tool for even uninformed audiences. Pie chart is used to compare part to the whole. It is used to compare part to the part. And it is used when exact quantities are less important than the relative size of parts. Especially, the data can be analyzed immediately by using a pie chart. Just at a glance. These are all introductions to a pie chart, with an example and its uses. Stay tuned to learn more.